Alright, crazy guy, I'm here. I gotta use my 4,000. I couldn't use a 45.
Flaps up. Take off flaps.
Gotta figure out what charger's not charging it all the way. One of my chargers is only taking it to 416.
Huh. You want me to come up to you, Kaz? You know what this is. That's the declaration of
Timer
war.
cleared.
You ready?
You know I'll find you. Alright.
Ready? Yep.
Gear up. Flaps up.
That was a little below full.
That was cool though. That was like
We're in sync.
weird tandem takeoff.
Yeah. I like that little whistle they make now. Whoa. How'd you... Whoa, snap.
I did that.
You know what? I gotta take my glasses off. Because I'm having a hard time seeing. Too dark.
What do you want to do?
Give me a second. I gotta adjust. Alright. There we go. Okay. I'm good now. Just had to throw them on the ground.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Oh, snap. He's gonna try to go slow so we can't be near him.
Alright.
Alright, I'm good. Whoa, hey, what the? What are we doing?
Let's line up. Let's get together. Let's
Yeah.
do a blast. Let's go up and do our thing.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Hey, at least we said bye this time.
Alright, let's go higher and then let's really crank it down.
Go.
Turning now.
Okay.
Before this come on.
Time remaining 1 minute.
That was cool. Nice. That was cool. Dude, your plane is super loud.
It is. I noticed that. You want to do it? Okay.
I'm gonna be further from my
Okay.
Nice. See if we can get some nice low
30
passes.
seconds.
What speed?
Not too fast.
Okay.
Low pass, mid pass.
Okay. Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh, you actually touched. What the hell? Oh my God.
5, 4,
That's a noise you don't want to hear.
1. Time expired.
You're lucky you don't have a crash. Yeah. But you know, Kazra, on my plane, I have two zip
Oh,
ties in
that's
the
right.
back. So the zip ties are probably what touch the ground.
I'm afraid to ask what the zip ties are holding.
No, they're just there for spacing. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I like that one. And then I fall off. What the hell, Ray? Let's do something a little faster.
Okay.
Because it's easier to stay lined up when we go faster. About right there. What was that?
1 minute over.
Oh, 1 minute over. Shit. I got power, but There you go.
That's for New Year's Eve. Not many people laugh.
Nice. Alright, I gotta land.
So let's
What do you want to do?
come together. Go ahead and set up to land. And then I'll come behind you.
Landing flaps. Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps.
That was close, but that's about as close as we're gonna get. We could do it at Crow's Landing. Can't do it here.
Yeah. I think we can.
Maybe if we practice.
We did some nice, very nice tandem
Over.
takeoff. I was all the way that way, you were all the way this
Yep.
way.
Kaiser, I'm coming in. Shit. Shit. Had to hit brakes at the last minute. You see that?
Yeah! I saw you went full up. I was like, uh-oh.
It's all. But you notice now it just goes. It
Yeah.
doesn't do that stall thing.
I was just thinking
Flaps up.
that it takes a lot of practice to know, like the glide slope for this thing, and to just know how to, when you're so high, how to like lose altitude and come in
Right.
right above
Right.
the fence.
Right. Because that's the
But
thing.
Brandon gets nuts at that.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
It's crazy.
Because he's right over the fence.
It's like,
Yeah.
And then you're like, how the fuck